GE Appliances garage-ready freezers are tested and approved to keep food frozen, even in extreme outside temperatures. When it's cold, the compressor will continue to start up reliably to keep the temperature inside the freezer right where you set it. When it's hot, the compressor has the capacity to run often and for extended times. So no matter what it's like outside, the food inside will stay safely frozen.
We just received this amazing little freezer. It's from the company Wanai, and it's 3.5 cubic feet. It opens and closes really easily, and it has two handles on the side. It's nice and compact so that it can fit in an apartment or in a garage or even in an office. You can you can set your temperature to 7 settings. Down there on the bottom, 7 settings. So if you had it on 1, you can do drinks. If you had it on 7, you can do really frozen things, like frozen meats and ice cream and frozen foods. It's really deep. There's removable storage, and we're going to show you inside. You can take out this little basket that has our ice cream in it and put it right here on top so it's easy for the kids to grab.
Our Winter Energy Star Freezer product line is the perfect solution for your frozen storage needs. Our freezers range from compact to full size, which will be sure to fit any space. This winter CUF 210SS 2.1 cubic foot stainless steel upright freezer is relatively compact, the sleek stainless steel door finish and black cabinets that will never go out of style. With 6 thermostat settings and temperature range between -10 degrees Fahrenheit to -2 degrees Fahrenheit, this freezer will keep your items nice and frozen. Its efficiently organized 2.1 cubic foot interior volume can help you keep your frozen foods perfectly preserved. Inside of the cabinet is an open area with 2 removable flat slide-out wire shelves for easy access to your everyday items. The lock feature on this unit provides additional security for sensitive contents. As an Energy Star rated appliance, this upright freezer will help you keep your energy costs down while providing an efficient freezing solution.